Hello everyone. Let us discuss about Alder Ene reaction. This is a reaction which is also referred as hydroallyl addition, which is a thermal or Lewis acid catalyzed sigmatropic rearrangement reaction. We can witness a hydrogen transfer along with a CC bond formation. This reaction involves addition of an enophile to an alkene via allylic transposition. Addition includes a 4-electron system with alkene pi bond and allylic CH sigma bond participation. Well, let me represent the reaction. Yeah, now let's look at the reaction. Well, in this reaction we can see ene and enophile react to get into a 6-member transition state, and product, we can see the product along with the molecular orbital representation of the transition state can be seen. Well, for the enophile, it could be a carbon to carbon bond, and saturation could be between carbons, or it could be between carbon and nitrogen, or carbon and oxygen, or it could be between nitrogen to nitrogen, or oxygen and sulfur to oxygen, etc. Well, let's see an example of this reaction. Well, here is an example of an ene and an enophile reacting. In the presence of xylene reflex, now we can see a transition state which is a 6-member transition state. Bond making and breaking processes can be seen that finally result into a product. Now let's look into another example. So before getting into that, just let me show the arrows where the bond disposition occurs. Right, now let's look at another reaction now. Here is another reaction. For these reactions, references have also been provided at the end. So how the bonds shift, let me represent. Right. So the two reactions that have been given are intermolecular Alder Ene reactions. We also have intramolecular reactions. So here is one of the example for an intramolecular Alder Ene reaction. Let's represent where the changes occur, how a hydrogen transfer is being occurring has been represented. Now here is the question. The question is related to intramolecular Alder Ene reaction. Try to answer it. The answer will be provided in the next video. Now coming to the answer for the question that was asked in the previous video about Adler oxidation. Let's look at the answer. Let me provide the transition state and finally the product. Well, now let me give you the references for the intermolecular Alder Ene reactions that have been provided. Thank you.